In the vast expanse of life on Earth, intelligence manifests itself in various forms, challenging our understanding of cognition beyond the human experience. Ranking the intelligence of animals can be a complex task, as it often depends on the criteria used for assessment. This video delves into the remarkable cognitive landscapes of some of the most intelligent animals known to science. From the intricate social structures of elephants to the sophisticated tool use of crows, the selected species demonstrate a spectrum of cognitive feats that rival, and in some cases surpass, those of humans. By examining the diverse expressions of intelligence across these species, we gain insights into the adaptive significance of such traits and their evolutionary underpinnings. As we embark on this exploration, we are reminded that intelligence is not the sole domain of humanity, but a shared characteristic of life, a multifaceted phenomenon that defies a singular definition. This video aims to illuminate the profound cognitive abilities of these animals, inviting a deeper appreciation for the intellectual kinship we share with our fellow inhabitants of this planet. Number 5. Elephants. Elephants are not only the largest land animals, but also among the most intelligent. Their intelligence is displayed in various ways, such as their long-term memory, which is often exemplified by the saying, "An elephant never forgets." They have been known to remember water sources over vast distances and recall friends and trainers after many years apart. Elephants also exhibit complex emotions, mourning their dead and showing joy when reunited with family members. In terms of problem solving, elephants have been observed using branches to swat flies or scratch themselves, and they can also modify tools to better suit their needs. For example, they might break a branch to make it the right size for digging or strip leaves off to create a fly swatter. Their social intelligence is equally remarkable. Elephants live in matriarchal societies where knowledge is passed down from older females to the younger members of the herd. They cooperate in tasks, such as helping a baby elephant climb out of a mud hole or working together to defend against predators. Perhaps one of the most striking examples of elephant intelligence is their ability to paint. With guidance from their trainers, some elephants in captivity have learned to hold a brush with their trunk and create paintings that are recognizable as specific objects, such as flowers or other elephants. This activity not only demonstrates their ability to follow complex commands, but also their fine motor control and ability to create representational art. Number 4. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees exhibit a range of intelligent behaviors that are both fascinating and indicative of their complex cognitive abilities. For instance, they have been known to use a variety of tools in innovative ways, using sticks to extract termites from mounds, rocks as hammers to crack nuts, and leaves as sponges to drink water. These behaviors are not merely instinctual, they are learned and culturally transmitted within groups, showcasing a form of cultural intelligence. Their social interactions are equally complex, involving intricate hierarchies and politics within their communities. Chimpanzees form alliances, engage in social manipulation, and participate in cooperative hunting, all of which require a sophisticated understanding of social dynamics. Chimpanzees have also demonstrated a rapid memory capability that rivals that of humans. In cognitive tests, they can remember the location and number of items and recall them with astonishing accuracy, suggesting a form of photographic memory. Moreover, chimpanzees have demonstrated the ability to learn sign language and use symbols to communicate, reflecting their capacity for abstract thought and language-like communication. They can also exhibit self-control and possess an autobiographical self, allowing them to remember personal experiences and anticipate future events. Number 3. Dolphins. Dolphins, with their large and complex brains, exhibit a level of intelligence that is both remarkable and diverse. Dolphins have sophisticated forms of communication, using a complex array of vocalizations and body language to interact with one another. Their sophisticated communication system, which includes signature whistles akin to names, allows them to convey a spectrum of emotions and coordinate with their pod members. Their problem-solving skills are evident in their use of tools like marine spot. Dolphins display a range of emotions and have been known to exhibit altruistic behavior, such as aiding injured or sick individuals, both within their own species and even across species boundaries. Self-awareness in dolphins is confirmed by their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait shared with only a few other species. This self-recognition is a clear sign of their conscious thought processes. Learning and teaching are integral parts of dolphin societies. Mothers impart survival skills to their young, and the species' ability to mimic human actions and sounds reveals their grasp of abstract concepts. When hunting, dolphins showcase strategic thinking and cooperation, herding fish into clusters for efficient feeding. Even their recreational activities, such as the gentle handling of pufferfish to experience its narcotic effects, demonstrate a level of curiosity and playfulness. Number 2. Orangutans. Orangutans are renowned for their remarkable intelligence, which is manifested in various aspects of their behavior and abilities. Orangutans have been observed using tools in innovative ways. For instance, they use sticks to extract insects from tree bark or to reach fruits that are out of reach. They also display the ability to use a stick to gauge the depth of water. In captivity, orangutans have been known to use tools creatively, such as using a leaf as a glove to handle prickly fruit. These great apes exhibit impressive problem-solving abilities. They can figure out complex mechanisms, such as how to unlock doors or unscrew bolts, often observed in rehabilitation centers where they have been seen escaping from enclosures. Orangutans demonstrate social learning by observing and imitating others. Mothers teach their young essential skills for survival. Like dolphins, orangutans have passed the mirror test, recognize their reflection, and can use mirrors to explore parts of their bodies they can't normally see. Orangutans have complex communication systems involving vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. Some have even learned sign language, showcasing their ability to understand and produce symbolic language. They are capable of deceptive behavior, such as hiding food or tools from others, indicating an understanding of other individuals' perspectives and intentions. Orangutans show empathy and consolation behaviors, comforting others in distress, which suggests they can understand and share the feelings of another. Number 1. Crows. Crows are known for their exceptional intelligence, which is evident in various behaviors that demonstrate problem-solving skills, tool use, social learning, and more. Crows exhibit creativity in overcoming environmental challenges. They have been observed dropping nuts onto roads and waiting for cars to crack them open, effectively using human activity to their advantage. Crows are the only non-primates known to create new tools. They use sticks to probe under bark and can bend wires to make hooks for retrieving food. This indicates not only their ability to manipulate objects, but also their understanding of cause and effect relationships. Crows work in groups and display sophisticated teaching and learning dynamics. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds and have been known to describe their attackers to other crows, suggesting a complex language system. Crows have excellent memories. They can remember the faces of individual humans and even pass on grudges to their offspring. For example, subsequent generations of crows have harassed scientists who captured and tagged their ancestors. They are capable of abstract reasoning and complex problem solving. Crows understand the concept of water displacement, a cognitive skill comparable to that of a 5 to 7-year-old child.